Oh my gosh. Oh, it's coming out. Up, up. There we go. Alright. Well, it's a beautiful morning in Brookhaven here. But we're not here for the game. We're not here for driving around in the city. Blah, blah, blah. We're not here for that. Let's cook. Never mind. We're here for the skit. Okay? Now, you guys might be wondering, why are you a noob? Well, that's what I'm driving my car. Well, the reason being is because I'm going to show you guys how to get this skin here. It's pretty cool when you learn how to do it. Yeah. Well, time to show you. Nice. So first, you don't want to be in Brookhaven. Oh god. I have a bit of a cold today. I'm sorry. Um, Never mind. So, oh crap, I gotta use the restroom. Hold on, guys. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, guys. Uh, we're gonna watch this at the end of the video. Also from my channel. But what we're gonna do is it's actually very simple how to do this. I messed up on this one. I forgot to put the puffy sweater there. So we can actually just change this to a whole different one. But today we're going to be showing you how to get... Hold on. Good enough for now. To discuss adjust appearance. Hold on, guys. Bob Marley. Ah, where am I going? Alright, one sec. So, how we're gonna do this is we can just remove this. So what we're gonna do is I should probably make this. I should have probably made this a lot easier, whatever. But what you're gonna do is you're going to remove everything. Okay? Yes, including your pants. So classic shirts, say bye bye. Classic t-shirt, say bye bye. Wait, no. Classic pants, bye bye. And we're even gonna do this. So just make sure I have nothing on. Your skin. We'll get to this later. That's what we're gonna need eventually. Take off the head. We're gonna take that off. We are going to take even that off. And you can see how it's starting to get kind of blocky here. See, it's starting to become just a total block. This is going on the right track. I promise, guys. It might not look like it, but yeah, I mean, we can also do this. We can also. I mean, I think it personally looks better doing this. Or actually, can you move it like? Yeah, I don't know. Let's just do the natural, you know. And we're gonna go to accessories. Take it off. Face. Take it off. Neck. Take off your neck. Let's even take off my favorite part of it, our shoulder pad. We put this on, but it will not help us at all. Take our wings off. Take this off. And then we're here. Okay? Now you might be thinking, well, you still have this stuff on. Well, that's what I said. We're gonna get to that in a moment. We're gonna go ahead and body. We're gonna go to skin. Then you have to go to advanced. Okay? Then what you want to do is you want to put all to that color. Okay? So I feel like it's just not enough. I don't know. Then what we're gonna do is the one thing you need to change is your torso. Then you're gonna change that torso to this color. And then you have your beautiful noob, and so you don't lose your noob, I'd recommend do this. Type in noob, whatever you want. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna do it because I already have it currently. But that is how you get your new skin in Roblox, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Peace.